What's the deal, my fellow Uptowners? What's the deal? As you can see, got some pizza in front of me. You know, my coworker wanted me to have an Uptown lunch today. So let's check it out. Ooh, pepperoni with the jalapenos. As you can see, this must be really good. Already got pieces missing. Damn. Let's hit the next one. Ooh, the big pepperonis. I think 2 different cheeses. Mozzarella cheese and regular cheese. I don't remember. And then we got here? Chicken. Cool, that looks so good. It's the barbecue one, the barbecue chicken one. I'm pretty sure this ain't fake chicken. So let's check it out. Let me get this piece. Ooh, look at that. Oh, you see that? Tear this bad boy up, y'all. That was delicious. Delicious and probably nutritious. I don't know yet. But the barbecue sauce, you can taste the barbecue sauce. The chicken not crispy though. The chicken wasn't crispy though. Yeah, that was pretty good though. Pretty good. I put the top back on. Let's check this one out. Which piece? I'll do this piece. Ooh, look at the cheese. Ooh, it almost did like the commercials where they use that fake cheese stuff with the glue. It almost got me. Look at that. Oh, it's warm. It's so good. It's so warm. Man. Ooh. Man, this is so delicious. Man. Oh, that was good. Oh, this one too. I just get this one since it's all by its lonesome. All right, let's check it out. Jalapeno time. Y'all know I love that hot stuff. Okay. It ain't too hot. These jalapenos ain't hot at all. They're pretty good. But my favorite one is this one. Which has the cheeses on it. And it looks like, oh, see, got this type of cheese. Man, this is delicious. I'm finna have an Uptown day today, y'all. Man. Alright now, y'all. Y'all enjoy y'all Uptown life. Uptown, travel out of here.